Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. I haven't posted a video like this before. So you're wondering, why do I have this? Why do I have my army gear, or should I say airsoft gear already? I'm going to my first airsoft match tomorrow. Yeah! So this here is my tactical vest. So I don't get shot, and it will carry all my magazines in here. Haven't got to fill them up yet, but goodbye, people.